Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Ninja Foodi Grill and the display seems to be stuck on add food. It still thinks that you're in the add food stage, even if the lid is closed and everything like that. The main reason that this is going to be happening is because the machine doesn't realize that you've already closed the lid. And the reason this happens is because there's gunk and buildup on the lid sensor. So what you need to do is open the lid, and as shown here where the lid sensor is in the hinge, you need to get a cloth and get in there and get everything nice and cleaned out. Make sure there's no gunk or anything up in there. Wipe everything down really good. And actually, while you're doing this, it's safer to do it while it's unplugged, and you'll get the second benefit of resetting doing a soft restart on the machine when you just unplug it while you're doing this. Once you're done cleaning everything off, plug it back in, turn it back on, and see if that doesn't clear out the problem. And I hope it does. Thanks a lot for watching.